If you are a business owner or a 1099 contractor, you know that the tax write-offs that save you money in April are the same things that get your mortgage denied in May. Most traditional lenders only look at your net income after all your expenses, which often makes you look like you earn much less than you actually do. But in 2026, the bank statement loan allows you to bypass your tax returns entirely and qualify based on the actual cash flowing into your accounts. Lenders will review 12 to 24 months of your business or personal bank statements to calculate your true gross buying power. As long as you can show a consistent history of deposits and at least 2 years of self-employment, you can get approved for a beautiful home without changing your tax strategy. You can even qualify with a down payment as low as 10%, provided you have a solid credit score and healthy cash reserves. This is the fastest way for entrepreneurs to stop renting and start building real equity while keeping their business deductions exactly where they are. At lower mortgage rates, we speak the language of business owners, and we are here to make sure your hard work finally pays off with a set of house keys.